Good morning, guys. We finished the vlog yesterday halfway through. We couldn't go to Lauterbrunnen. Today we are going to Lauterbrunnen. But before that, we took a pit stop at this campsite, which is extremely beautiful. And I'm going to just get out of the way so that you guys can see it. So I'm sure you guys enjoyed that view, and there are much more beautiful views coming up at Lauterbrunnen. So if you're all set, let's go! So on the go, I've just decided that I'm gonna fill a bottle of water from this fresh river because I tasted the water. It's extremely fresh, full of minerals. Woo! It's cold and it looks absolutely fresh. Yeah, I guess I've started living like a nomad now.
कैसा है पानी?
It's cold. It's refreshing.
Yeah, it shows that it's cold.
It's refreshing.
But okay, I'm scared. I am scared because I don't know. My worst tummy issues have happened because of water,
Okay.
and I do understand that it's only in my mind because this will be the purest form of water, but I can't do it.
That's all right.
So we're leaving the campsite now. And we have spent quite a lot of time here, but it was amazing.
Yeah.
So now we are off to our next destination. So yeah, let's enjoy the views.
Yep.
So अभी हम हैं ब्यूटीफुल लाउटरब्रनन में. Lauterbrunnen?
Lauterbrunnen.
Lauterbrunnen.
Yes.
और हम देख सकते हैं द वर्ल्ड फेमस waterfall. And as we were walking down, we saw this beautiful graveyard. All the people in the village who are no more, उनके यहाँ पे graveyards लगाते हैं और हर graveyard stone के सामने उन्होंने बहुत सुंदर फ्लावर्स का को लगाया है और वो फ्लरिश भी कर रहे हैं. तो इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल व्यू एक्चुअली टू सी how they are respecting the people who are no more.
So there's a trail which leads to a certain height up to the waterfall, maybe about 50 meters or so. So I'm going to climb it. It's a bit of a steep climb, but I guess the view will be really, really awesome. Sangeeta has chosen to skip it. She is exploring Lauterbrunnen village while I do this. So we're almost at the top of the viewing point of Staubbach Waterfalls, and you get a very beautiful view of Lauterbrunnen village from here. As you can see, insanely beautiful. Ascending the last 10 meters. Let's go. Okay, there is a tunnel which I was not expecting. Not sure where this leads to. Let's see. Seems we're gonna go behind the waterfall. Something absolutely unexpected. Where's the end? Is this the end or is there more?
This is the end.
This is, thank God. Thank God for that. Yep, we are behind the waterfall. Directly behind the waterfall, guys. And it's a steep, steep drop. That's where we began from. And this is where we are. Alright guys, genuinely not for the faint-hearted. It's wet, it's a tad bit slippery. You gotta hold on to these rails for support. Need to have a sure footing because you can't make it out in the video, but the steps are not the only descent. They've used natural rock formations also as steps. Okay. You gotta be really, really careful because one misstep and you'll go both ways. First you'll go down and then you'll go up. Just look at this, guys. Oops. Okay, almost slipped. I think I need to reconsider my decision-making abilities. You wanna go ahead?
Yes, thank you.
You're most welcome. Okay, I wish I were as agile as him. Alright, we made it down those goddamn steps.
and we are eating fried chicken burger. And
We've come to a Parisian place and we are having American food. And all of this sitting in Switzerland.
wow, yeah, that's multicultural.
Absolutely. They've got a very cute setup, right?
Yeah, it's very cute.
Why?
It's very bitter.
Yeah.
I feel like it's not freshly squeezed.
It seems the oranges weren't great.
Either, yeah.
Yeah. And the service is not the best, honestly.
The server is extremely rude.
Very rude.
So much. Looks glorious though.
Yes. It looks tempting.
Oh, it looks amazing.
The taste test remains to be seen.
Yes. Salad looks very good. Ah, ketchup after so long.
The fries must be really good.
Very good.
It looks crisp.
Yeah. It's a big burger. Fab.
Does it make up for all the rude service? It does?
Actually does.
Okay.
Smoky.
Let me try it. Very American. Absolutely like the chicken burger. An American chicken burger.
11 minutes later.
मुझे बर्गर बहुत पसंद आया तो मैंने और एक बर्गर ऑर्डर कर दिया. Because genuinely the burger, the bread is really soft, the patty is really crunchy, and the chicken is extremely tender on the inside. And just see, pura,
It has pickles and veggies.
yes, a lot of veggies. It's such a healthy sort of a meal. Barring the fried patty, everything is so healthy.
And then the salad.
Yeah,
And the fries are very yum.
and it's extremely filling as well.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna dig in. With that, we've come to the end of the 4-part Interlaken road trip series. We really hope you enjoyed that and it helps you plan your itinerary in the Interlaken region. If you haven't already watched the videos, click the link above to watch them all. And come back next week as we take off to the beautiful Zermatt, but not before we encounter this treacherous route. So we'll see you next week. Until then,
Toodles!